Hi, I'm Jim Pinkham, MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168. Today we're going to look at a 2014 Chaparral 284. This 2014 Chaparral 284 comes with this included trailer, custom, tandem axle, aluminum. This boat's in excellent condition. Pop-up cleats, sea deck on the swim deck. Has the Volvo outdrive with dual counter rotating props, trim tabs, stereo remote control, has a table holder, gas fill cap, rear seating. Let's take a look inside and see how the layout is. Interior is in fantastic shape. No rips, tears, gouges. Cover for the steering wheel. Has the built-in Garmin digital screen, chart plotter. There's a place for a trash can here. A wet bar with the drain and sink. A large tower. This is all stationary, it does not collapse. Removable flooring. Has a cockpit cover and a bow cover. Large ample space in the bow. This is the 2014 Chaparral 284. The Chaparral 284 has the dual counter rotating props, has the Volvo outdrive. Real large swim deck on the back, stereo remote control, rear seat. Trailer is included on this unit. It has a custom trailer with tandem axles, aluminum. Let's step up inside and take a look, see how the layout is inside. If you'd like to come by MarineMax Lake Norman, again, I'm Jim Pinkham at 704-997-2168. Come by and I'd be glad to show you this Chaparral 284.